Dear students, good day. I welcome you all for social science session. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Let us start our session with Civics Unit 1 Equality. In this session, we are going to learn about meaning of equality, importance of equality, different types of equality and various articles of our constitution that have guaranteed equality. Equality means treating everyone equally with no difference of race, gender, disability, religion, and age. Importance of equality. Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. The concept of equality invokes the idea that all human beings have equal worth regardless of their caste, color, gender, race, or nationality. The democratic ideals such as liberty, equality, etc. are meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with justice. Kinds of equality. There are different kinds of equality like social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality, human dignity, opportunity and education, Indian Constitution. Social equality. Social equality means that all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. There should not be any discrimination of caste, creed, color, and race. All should have equal opportunity to develop their personality and to complete goals. Civil equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. There should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, caste or creed. Equal rights should be available to all the persons and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Rule of law is in force in England, and in the eyes of law, all are equal and equal treatment is given to all by the rule of law. In India, the same rule of law is followed. Rule of law was advocated by A.V. Dicey, the British legal luminary. Political equality. All the democratic countries, including India, have guaranteed the political rights to all citizens. It includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Citizens should have equal opportunity to actively participate in the political life. These rights can be enjoyed through the universal adult process. Let us see the political rights one by one. Right to vote. In India, the voting right is given to all the citizens who has attained 18 years of age without any discriminations. India is the first country to give right to vote to women from the very first general election held in the year 1952. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in 1971. Right to hold public office. Any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election. Right to criticize government. Right to criticize the government is also very important right, and the people can express their resentment through demonstrations like the recent protest in Tamil Nadu for Jallikattu. The value of the vote of the Prime Minister and value of vote of common man in general election is same, which denotes political equality. Gender equality. All human beings, both men and women, are free to develop their personal abilities and make choice without any limitations. Women were not given equal rights and they were considered as weak. They should be treated equally. Gender equality is the equal right of both men and women to have access to participate in the economic sphere and make important decisions. Women with their talent and hard work have proved that their ability is not less than men in any aspect. Nowadays, women are successfully working in many fields like border security force, Indian Air Force, etc. For the uplift of women, 50% reservation has been given for women in local bodies. As of 2017, gender equality is the fifth of 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. Many social activists or reformers worked hard to get equal status to women were Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Dayan Saraswati, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Tarabai Sinde, Begum Rukia Sahawat Sinde. Human dignity. Dignity means self respect. Human dignity is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights derive. Dignity is the quality of being honorable, noble, and excellent. Every human being should be regarded as a very valuable member of the community. Of opportunity and education. All the individuals should have similar chance to receive education. They should have similar opportunities to develop their personality. They need equality to get equal treatment in society. Equality in Indian Constitution. Almost the Constitution, all the countries in the world have guaranteed equality. Likewise, the Constitution of India has also guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing articles from 14 to 18. Article 14 guarantees to all the people equality before law. Article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 provides equality of opportunity in matters relating to employment. Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability. Article 18 abolishes the titles conferred to citizen. Equality before law and equal protection of law have been further strengthened in the Indian Constitution under Article 21. How can we promote equality? We can promote equality by treating all fairly, creating an inclusive culture, ensuring equal access to opportunities, enabling to develop full potential, making laws and policies, and education. Conclusion. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Equality and justice are the pillars of democracy. Justice can be achieved when people are treated equality. Equality is so important because it preserves the dignity of an individual. Equality is an important principle for a society to function. In this session, we learnt about equality. Thank you.